Greetings everybody! So balloon lovers, have you been wondering how to make a balloon Spider-Man? Right, I'm going to show you step by step. Wonder no more. I'm going to show you step by step how to make a balloon Spider-Man. Firstly, you have to get one red 160 size balloon, another blue, and another one in whites. Right, is the basic color theme of a Spider-Man costume. So firstly, of course, every time before I pump a balloon, I love to stretch them out so that it will be much softer to be pumped. Because as you know, for Thailand balloons like this, it is very thick. It is very heavy duty, means that it doesn't pop too often, but to pump it up is going to be not easy. I'm just going to say. So yeah, get the balloons all stretched up and then you start pumping. So this is what you need. This is the length that you need. So you just leave about five finger size of the tail, and you tie the neck of it, right? Tie the neck of the balloon as comfortable as you wish, and then start making the hand. Firstly, we're gonna make a very small size 1 bubble. Make 2 of them like so, and then you just grab the neck and twist the neck like so, and then in between of the 2 balloons, just put the neck out like so to the other side, right? So you'll get a basic shape of a hand. Now to make the forearm, you need to just bend or 4 fingers of this balloon like so, and then you're going to squeeze this, right? So what we meant to do is to bend it like so, bend it like that, right? So we need another 4 over there, and then you make a twist, right? So this is basically one arm, a shoulder, and a hand. So now you need to make the head, right? So you just bend it like so, just a simple size 2 bubble like so, and then you just twist it up. So now you have the head, right? Put this aside, and now it's time to make the legs using blue balloons. Again, stretch it up and start pumping. Pump the balloon like so, and for this one also you need the tail to be left 5 fingers length like so, and then you tie the neck like that. And firstly we are going to make the leg, right? To make the leg, first you need a size 1 bubble, another one like so, so you have 2 like that. So leave the end as it is, and you're going to make an ear twist out of this second one like so, right? Use these 3 fingers like that, and then you're going to twist, and now you got the leg, sorry, the feet. That's the heel, and that's the tip of your feet. That's it. All right, now you're going to make the knee. Okay, to make the knee you need a size 4 finger like so, the length, and then you're going to bend it like that, right? Please notice that the direction of the point of the feet is pointing that way, and then you're going to squeeze that, and then you got the knee. That's the knee. So now you're going to make the thigh. So to make the thigh you need size 4 again, and then you are going to twist it over there, right? And then after that we're going to make the pelvis. To make the pelvis you need size 1 and make an ear twist out of that. And then make another one, size 1 bubble, and then we're going to make another ear twist using these 3 fingers again, right? Like so. So you are going to end up with something like that, right? The pelvis, and this is one of the leg, the thigh, the calves, and the feet. Now you're going to take back the red balloon, and then you're going to make the body, which is like 3 length of your fingers, like that. Make a twist, and that is the body of your Spider-Man. Now you're going to put this twist over here, right in the middle of the pelvis there, right? So you just put it in like that, see? And then you're going to wrap the red balloon over the pelvis, and then back up, right? Back up like so, so that the pelvis stays there, while the body, that's the front of the body, that's the back, will meet like so. And then you're going to make a twist right there where it meets the head over there, right? And then you're going to wrap this the red balloon over there and put it on the opposite side of the arm. So this is going to be arm 1, and this is going to be arm 2. So, but before you make this arm, forget this first. You're going to continue with the blue balloon. So you're going to make the side of the torso or the body with the blue balloon. So you're going to take this part, the long part of the blue balloon, and curve it up like so, right? And where the point it meets the neck before the head, you make a twist. Make a twist like so, and then you're going to wrap this blue balloon over the red one, the head, like that. Okay. 1 and 2. And you put the side of the torso, the blue balloon, opposite the first side of the torso there. And with the same length as this, make a twist right there. Okay. And then you're going to wrap this blue balloon over the pelvis bubble right there. Okay. 1 and 2. And it's going to end up on the other side of the first leg right there, right? Okay. Now, while you are still holding the blue balloon, I suggest that you finish up the next leg, right? 2 legs. So you're going to make the knee right here, 4 fingers, and then you just bend it up and press, and it's going to stay bent that way. And then you're going to take another 4 finger like so, and then you just make another bubble, and then you need another size 1 bubble, and then you're going to use your 3 fingers to make the ear twist like that. And you have to cut this part, right? But before that, you have to make the front of the feet like that. And then let me show you how to cut the balloon using only your finger, right? Firstly, that is where you're going to end your balloon, but you need another size 1 over there, so that when you pop this up, you have the balance over here to be tied. Alright, to make sure that the air doesn't escape. So you're going to use one of your finger, the middle finger, and then you're going to hook it up like that, and then you're going to just pull like that, right? And then you're going to be left with like so, right? This is where the final size 1 balloon was. So you make your tie, the final tie of your feet over there. So we're going to end up finish it up with the second arm and the hand, which is right there, right? So I suggest that what I love to do is, since this hand, this arm is pointing upwards, this arm should point downwards or forward. That's up to you, but obviously not the same direction like so, or else it's going to end up looking like a gorilla or orangutan or chimpanzee, right? So you measure size 4 using your finger, and then this is where you're going to bend it up, right there. Bend down, and the same thing, squeeze this a little bit, and it's going to point down, right? And now we're going to make the forearm using size 4 again, right there. And then this is where you're going to twist your balloon, and then you're going to make another size 1. In fact, you need 2 size 1s like that, right? And then you're going to bend this, and you're going to twist these 2 size 1s like so. So you got 2 hands right here and right there. So you do not need this part. So again, using the technique that I've just shown you guys, how to cut the balloon using your finger, you have to make a size 1 balloon like so. This is where you're going to end up tying your balloon and hook the rest of the balloon there, and then pull, right? So you're gonna left with that. Pinch this area while releasing this side over here. So you're going to end up like that, right? Right, so you're going to put this balance of the balloon right in the middle of this size 1 balloons. So I'm going to push it from this side and then end up on your side. You're going to notice right there. See? This is where your balloon end up. So you can also, if you wish, to make sure that it doesn't escape, right? The air doesn't escape, make a tie out of this end of the balloon. So just tie it up like that. Okay, so you already have the shape of your Spider-Man. It looks cartoony, I admit, but well, better than nothing. So now you go and get your marker pen, and then you're going to draw the mask of the Spider-Man like that. 2 eyes, and then you're going to draw, oops, looks like my marker pen is going to dry up soon. Anyway, we managed to make the spider logo right there on its torso. Now you might ask, when are we going to use this white balloon? Yes, of course, you're not going to pump this, but you are going to still tie the neck of the balloon right there, pinch it up so that you will trap some air inside there, and then you're going to tie it up. So you might ask, what am I going to do with this balloon without pumping it up? This is going to be the rope or the strings or the line that the Spider-Man hangs from. So what you're gonna do is you just squeeze this part, the neck of the white balloon, right in the middle of the two size 1 balloons, and there you go, pull it up, and that is how your Spider-Man hangs from its rope. So that's going to be the thumbnail, right? So there you go, your own balloon sculpture Spider-Man. So I will teach you guys in the next videos on how to make other balloon sculptures, probably the Incredible Hulk, or oh yeah, even the Captain America shield. I'm going to teach you guys all of that. So without missing any of the videos, yeah, you might subscribe, like it, and I will definitely see you in the next tutorial for balloon sculptures. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.